Lean management system may be applied by any organization which wants to improve process performance in the eyes of customers, leaders and employees. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation. In this video, we'll see what is lean transformation, lean management, tips for successful lean transformation and what's the need for lean digital transformation in 2021. So let's get going. Whether you are snacking late at night or transforming your culture to lean, change is tough. If you want to transform your culture to lean, it takes a combination of implementing the right practices with the right tools and the right project team all at the right time. However, when the benefits outweigh the cost, then the effort involved in lean transformation is worth it. All the roots of lean are from manufacturing organization, but lean can be effectively applied in all types of businesses and processes. Here are a few reasons due to which organizations adopt lean transformation. The first one is to achieve strategy. As many organizations have come to realize that pursuit of vision requires a new way of thinking, and lean transformation becomes a key strategy to achieve the goals and objectives. Next one is adopt to external change. As all companies deal with external change, many will fall behind if they don't have any systematic approach. So lean transformation help organization to adopt to external change. Next up is build capability. Lean transformation helps organization to build capabilities to satisfy the needs of customer, employees and stakeholders. Lean transformation gives the ability to adopt and change quickly, which can be a competitive advantage. And the last one is sustainability. Making the change isn't always the hard part, but the inability to make change stick is why many organizations fail. Now let's see what is lean management. A lean management system can be applied to any organization to improve process performance. It's about creating customer value with a minimal amount of waste. It's both a philosophy and a set of principles and tools which can be applied for the design of new processes and also improves existing processes. Lean transformation is a long-term strategy which identifies waste in manufacturing system and migrate lean thinking into the culture. It's a never-ending journey to continuous improvement, which is especially effective for those organizations that want to reduce lead times, use resources more efficiently, and create a culture of high employee engagement. How can you implement lean transformation successfully? Here are 3 tips for that. The first one is one team. If you want to ensure a successful lean transformation, then the 3 pillars, management, project management, and the project team must be aligned. One team aligned with the same goals brings credibility and momentum to the transition. Second tip is identify lean stewards who are passionate about lean. They'll continue to fuel the fire. Adoption of any tool and process takes commitment and open mind to evolve and grow. Third one is rinse and repeat, train and retrain. A big part of implementing lean is simply a commitment to a new way of working. Even if you adopt a new exercise routine, changing behaviors is hard. So for successful lean implementation, the third most important tip is train and retrain. Let's have a look on 5 phases of lean transformation. The first one is commit. In this phase, you can develop a vision, understand current work environment and explore opportunities to apply lean. In the second plan phase, create a timetable and decide the key roles and provide training and make sure everyone is aware of lean transformation plans. In the pilot phase, execute initial project and start coaching to develop lean skills. Based on lessons learned, adjust approaches and future plans as needed. In the grow phase, execute more projects and expand to more areas and build a culture of continuous improvement. And the last phase is transform. You can track results to guide planning and priorities and make meaningful changes and adopt transformational plans. Now let's have a look on lean digital transformation. As lean principles have long been used in manufacturing to drive efficiency and reduce waste, but if we add digital technologies to lean, it can take an enterprise to a whole new frontier. So digital lean, it's a powerful combination of timeless lean principles and constantly evolving digital technologies which decrease waste and variability in processes. Now let's have a look on what exactly is digital lean. Digital lean is not a new set of lean principles. In fact, it enhances lean principles to make the application more powerful. It uses Industry 4.0 and other digital tools to provide more precise and timely information about operations. A digital lean systems of innovation provide detailed information on all aspects of a process. It not only helps realize lean principles but also increase the impact of core lean tools like Kanban. In our next video, you will find how digital lean acts as a game changer for continuous improvement, benefits of digital lean and how to avoid the challenges of digital lean, and how you can effectively start lean digital transformation in your organization. Thanks for watching right till the end. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding lean, digital, Six Sigma, supply chain, business transformation, and you can also catch us on other social media handles. Till then, take care, have a good one.